Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off airplane mode on Windows 10 and 11. First, what we're going to do is right click on the start icon and we are going to click on run. From here, we are going to type in services.msc. So type that in and click on OK, and this window should pop up. It's going to maximize it. And what we're going to do is to select any from this list and type R on your keyboard so we can go to the options that starts with an R. From here, we are going to select a radio management service, which is right here. Once you have selected that, right click on it and click on restart. So you have to wait for it to be restarted since it is linked to our airplane mode. Once we have done that, the second thing we're going to do is to click on the search icon and we are going to search for CMD. And we are going to run it as administrator by clicking on this option right here at the right part of the search window. Click on yes, and this window should pop up. Now we're going to put in some commands, which I'll also put in the description box below. So the first command is this one. I'm going to copy it and paste it right here. ipconfig /release. Once you have done that, hit enter, and that will do things on the Ethernet or your adapter for your connection. Next one would be ipconfig /renew. Will renew the IP configuration, and you just have to wait for it to be done. And then the last command we are going to put in is ipconfig /flush DNS. So this will flush the DNS. Just hit enter and it will successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Once you have done these three commands, restart your computer. And once you have restarted your computer, we are going to right click on the start icon again and we go to the settings. From here, we click on network and internet. And if you find an airplane mode option right there, you can click on it and turn it off. It is usually for those ones that have Wi-Fi connection. Since I'm using Ethernet and a computer, it might not show up for me, but it should show up on your laptop. So if you have an airplane mode or the flight mode, make sure to turn it off and then try to connect to your Wi-Fi connection again. And that is how you can basically turn off airplane mode on Windows 10 and 11. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.